Hey guys, it's me. I'm home. I've been laying in bed all day. Bronchitis, viral bronchitis, actually. Um, Started a couple days ago. Got really bad last night, so I went to Milton Hospital. I know what y'all's thinking. Don't say it. It's a new T-shirt though. It works. Sorry. And I walked into Milton Hospital and I said, "Hey, I've got bronchitis. Give me medicine and make me better." Because, I get bronchitis every year around this time. So it's not even a shocker. And I walked into the little room. A couple minutes later, they had me sit down, blood pressure, all that good crap. And then, um, the nurse was like, "Yeah, you don't have bronchitis. There might be a bronchial component to it, but you have the flu." And I'm like, "But I don't have a fever, so how can I have the flu?" And I'm holding back so many coughs right now. Just so we all know I'm in pain. I've been eating like fruit bars all day long. Anyway, so the doctor comes in. Oh, fruit bars and grapefruit juice. Grapefruit juice is like the only thing that feels good on my throat when I'm sick. I love it. And, oh, I just unplugged the computer. Haha. And then the doctor comes in and he's like, "Yeah, you have bronchitis." And I'm like, "Oh, what a shocker." So he gave me Zithromax, and I'm on it for another 4 days. And then hopefully I'll be better. And yeah, I have class Monday too. I want to see how that happens. I want to go. I miss class. I love class. Never thought I'd say that either. All through high school, I'm like, "Oh my god, class sucks. I hate it so much." Now I'm like, I want to go to class. Like, I really do. Like, I really want to be in class. Like, right now, if I could. So much fun. So, yeah. Alright. Good night.